Welcome to my channel. ASUS ROG GT-BE98 Pro initial setup and configuration explained. Step 1. Unbox and position the router. Take the router, power adapter, and Ethernet cable out of the box. Place the router in an open and central area of your home for the best Wi-Fi coverage. Avoid keeping it near walls or metal objects. Step 2. Connect the Internet cable. Connect your ISP's Internet cable or modem cable to the WAN port, 2.5G, 10G, on the router. Make sure the cable is properly plugged in. Step 3. Power on the router. Plug in the power adapter and turn on the router. Wait for about 2 to 3 minutes until the LED lights become stable. Step 4. Connect to the default Wi-Fi. On your mobile or computer, connect to the default Wi-Fi network shown on the router label, ASUS_4X. You can also use a LAN cable for setup. Step 5. Open router setup page. Open any web browser and type router.asus.com or 192.168.50.1. This will open the ASUS setup wizard. Step 6. Create admin username and password. Create a strong admin username and password. This login is used to access router settings, so keep it secure. Step 7. Configure Internet settings. Select your Internet connection type, automatic IP, DHCP, most users. PPPoE, enter username and password provided by your ISP. Step 8. Set Wi-Fi name and password. Create your custom Wi-Fi name, SSID, and a strong password. Enable Smart Connect so the router automatically selects the best band for your device. Step 9. Enable gaming and security features. Turn on key features like Game Boost, Adaptive COS for low ping, Eye Protection Pro for network security, Wi-Fi 7, B mode, for maximum speed. Step 10. Update firmware. Go to Administration Firmware Update and install the latest firmware. This improves performance, stability, and security. Thank you for watching.